Hello everyone. Today is exciting because it is a BOXYCHARM day. Not only is it BOXYCHARM, it is BOXYLUXE day. BOXYLUXE is an upgrade from the base box. It comes every 3 months. You get it. So starting in March, so you skip April, May, June, September, and then December. You get the BOXYLUXE box. So it came today and I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this. Shipping was horrible with this month. So this is what it looks like. And then we open it up. I'm so excited about so many things that are in here. And so this is the card that came for this month. It says Glam Vibes Only. They do have all of the information on the back of the card about each product. This is variant number 22. It says the retail prices and gives a description of everything. My retail value altogether came out to be $405 for my box this month, which is crazy. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. In the beginning of, so even before the beginning of the month, a couple weeks prior, you get to pick out one of your items for your box. This looks like it's all tilted today. Okay, sorry. And this month we got to choose between some kind of cherry eye cream by Pharmacy and Kate Somerville exfoliating wash. And I knew I've been wanting to get an exfoliant, so I decided to go ahead with this. I haven't had any good ones. This retails for $85. Here we are is the bottle. And it's an intense exfoliating treatment. It transforms pores, it says, in 2 minutes. Great for dry and dull skin. It has salicylic acid. I know how to say that. I was doing so well at it this morning when I had got in the box. There's pumpkin extract in here. There's also honey and cinnamon, and you can smell the cinnamon. So just in case you do have any reactions to cinnamon, there is some in here, and it's strong enough that I can smell it. It smells really good. Here it is. It does have also retinol in here. It's an AM or PM. I would probably do this in the mornings as a face wash after my night routine. And then as an exfoliant, it should try to help wake you up too, I would think. It recommends 1 to 2 times a week. It's good to do an exfoliant probably about once a week, and especially since this is a stronger one. They say to start off with a wet face, a clean wet face. Use the exfoliant, gently rubbing it into your skin for about 30 seconds. Don't go over that because they did say it may irritate your skin. Going over that. Circular motion, make sure your face is clean and wet. All right, so moving on. All the other things, I had no idea what was coming with BOXYCHARM. It's all a surprise other than that one item you get to choose. So that's really exciting. I knew that there was different variants and what was in different variants because I've watched. I know a lot of people have gotten and was super excited to get. I think it was called Eloise palette. It was very bright though for me. It had neon pinks in it, like 3 different hot pink colors, and that's just not my style. I wanted this one and I'm so excited that I got it. It's the let me make sure, it is Hip Dot palette in Zion. It does have come in a sleeve. All right, and inside here, let's move the plastic out. This is what our palette looks like. That is pretty true to color. It's a majestic beauty of the Utah canyons, sandstone caves, cruelty-free, vegan, talc, and paraben-free. Starting from the top left, going over. We're going to start there. We have sandstone, which I use today as a transition color. So all over, I use the sandstone. We have virgin, canyon, maze. The canyon, I use it is the orange in my eyes today, my eyelids. And then surreal is the last color in that row. Going down to the second row, we have wanderlust, grounded, angels, landing, wild river, and whisper. The third row, we have sublime, narrows, majesty, mystery, and vibration. Isn't this such a beautiful palette and has such a wonderful story too? It has a wonderful color story and it is great. Let me see if I can get it without a glare. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? It is just gorgeous. I'm so excited. I knew this was a possibility, but I was seeing this more as a variant in premium or the base boxes and not so much for the luxe, even though it was intended for the luxe and the base was totally different. Almost everybody I saw open up one of the queen palettes. Very bright. All right. So after that, okay, so and also I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did. The exfoliant retails for $85. The Zion palette retails for $30. And then we go into, I have the Persona Cosmetics. This is what the box that it came in. It's called Season 1 Lip Gloss. It retails for $16. It has nourishing oils that include almond oil, shea butter, avocado oil. This color is called Honey. I think it's really beautiful. Yeah, that is more. So the color, this retails for $16. I think it's really pretty. Yep, and it says that it takes out like the stickiness from being a gloss and the glittery from being a gloss and just focuses on just being a good lip gloss. It is also what I have on today. This is my full eye look. Also, that was all of my palette. I did add some white eyeshadow in it today too to highlight under my brow and in the corners. All right, moving on. The whole reason I decided to upgrade to Luxe this month, which I learned there was many reasons why I should this month, but look at what we got. We got a Fenty beauty item. It's upside down. I knew that didn't look right. There you go. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Classic Fenty Beauty. How exciting! I did highlight today. All right. so with this, it is 36. It retails for 36. My colors are Aftershock and Mo Honey. Weightless long wear cream powder. So those are that. All right. Now, I was excited. I didn't see many people with a variation of this whatsoever, but I knew there was 3 possibilities of having a Milk Makeup product. All of them coming in this like stick. This right here. This smells so good. And this is an overnight cream. It is a melatonin overnight serum. This retails also for $36. It smells really, really good. It rejuvenates, hydrates, calms. You're supposed to wake visibly with bouncier, smoother, and more refreshed looking skin. It smells like lavender. That's definitely what it smells like. I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to use it tonight. I was very excited about getting a Milk Makeup item. And there was a serum that was green. I think that one was a mask. And then there was like a watermelon one. And I love that I got this one. All right. I was very excited. I was hoping to get this Pure. This is the travel set. It's supposed to promise with minimal or no fallout. All right. This is a brush set. It's travel size. I did go ahead and open up the brushes. I did not enjoy when other people open them up, and all of these come in their own plastic sleeves, which is very nice, but it was super annoying to listen to on the videos. So I went ahead and opened them up so you guys didn't have to endure that. And this is kind of what we're working with here. And we have so these are going to be in intervals of 10, starting at the P10 brush. You have a large powder, an angled face, a small powder, a flat foundation, flat top liner, a round head shadow, a fluffy eyeshadow for blending, detailed mini creaser, a pointed precision, a lip brush, a liner brush, and a grooming comb. So these are what those look like. They're all very soft. I didn't want to use any of these for you guys today. I wanted you to see them as they are. Nice and clean. Without having to listen to the plastic. But they do all come individually wrapped, which is really nice. And it is by the Pure company. I think it didn't say that. I really like Pure products. And that retails for $49. So that's nice. All right. I knew this was also a possibility, and I love these. So I'm super excited about it. I've heard, people having differing opinions, and it's probably because of the price point. And I don't know if it matches the hype, but these retail for $135. These are 111 Skin Rose Gold Mask. These, like I said, retail for $135 each. They're $35, but this is a 5-pack. This is a 5-pack of the mask, and the 5-pack is what retails for the $135. It is rose gold. There's 5 masks in it. There's apricot oil, niacinamide. I have all these words completely down before I start the video, and then I start the video and I lose my English. Algae's in it, rose extract, collagen, silk aminos, and colloidal gold is also in here. They say there's 24 karat gold in this mask. So we've got, I'm not sure how well, there we go. I love these. A great time to be using your mask is actually before you do your makeup, especially if you've got someplace really special to go. Go ahead and do your a wash and do a mask after. I do recommend doing one at least once a week, but not really more than 2. All right, and I didn't like this last product. It could have come and gone. I didn't mind. I wanted to try something like this, and it came this one. So this is an ice roller. It's by Kitsch Ice Roller. It's an at-home facial. That's what they compare it to. With surgical stainless steel. This retails for $18. It comes out just like this. It's supposed to be calming, blood circulating, alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. They say to keep this in your freezer and to use daily. You can also use this while applying a face mask or eye cream. That's something that I've seen a lot do, because these are really good for puffiness. So if you've got an eye cream, go ahead, apply it, and roll this right around your eyes. Also, if you were going to put on something like your rose gold mask, go ahead and lay that on. It lays a little funny. I do recommend you laying down and keeping it on. It's one of those ones that kind of just sag. And you can roll this out. Roll out the mask with the roller. All right, I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're just as excited about BOXYCHARM and your BOXYLUXE as I am. I will include in the description a referral code if you'd like to use that. If you want to go ahead and sign up, you can go with that if you'd like. If you're already a BOXYCHARM charmer, I hope you're excited. I hope you guys got to pick out your items from choice. It's still open for October. I went ahead and went with, I think it's Farley for some, it was a cream. You do have a couple other things to choose from, including a Murad item. Murad and a a concealer too. So go ahead, if you haven't made your choices yet, go ahead and do so for October. It's exciting. And like I said, this box did retail for $4.05.